Hello YouTube, we're down here at my in-laws place and we're gonna relive the Coachmen camper. It was my father-in-law's father, Granddad Jack, what we call him, and he died in 2013, but this thing died before he did. So we got a rod bearing or something catastrophic in the bottom end. We're actually coming back from the beach and just took a dump on us. So I am gonna take this, we're gonna rebuild it, we're gonna restore it, and we're gonna go on vacations. And up top, we'll put Love Your Memory, Granddad Jack. Here, it's got the big, I know it's got some rust, it's got some serious problems, so this is for Granddad Jack. We got a big block 460 in there. Gotta get some batteries, I gotta rip this thing out. I gotta rebuild this motor. If not, I have to get a new one, which I actually have one in a dually that I may rip out and put in here, put a diesel in the Ford dually. I'm not sure yet. Either way, I'm gonna get a motor with this thing. This thing will live again. My Ford, well, my in-law, deceased Granddad Jack, Ford Coachmen. We'll get it all fixed up. I know, I gotta keep the lights. He put the lights on there. I'm gonna get this thing fixed up. The inside, the roof is terrible. It's not terrible outside. A little pressure wash and maybe a little paint. I may even do all the original decals again just to get it back the way he got it. It's gonna need some tires, probably a little more on the brakes. I'm gonna walk around and see inside. It's got a generator. It's got an awning, but I may get me a new one there. I know, it's kind of junky. Okay, yeah, got the air filter right there. I gotta get all that. So we have some definite roof problems. It's a little wavy. It's a little wavy right here. Gonna rip all this down. Oh, the bag fell. That's terrible. We're gonna get all this down, redo it. I'm gonna up the date from the 70s. Most people will be like, oh, I remember them colors right there. Yeah, I don't. I'm only 29. But we're gonna get this thing right. All right, so we're gonna redo this thing, get it all fixed up. It may not be 100% restoration, but it should be pretty close. I don't have a whole lot of money. I'm not made of money, not even a little bit, but I definitely got to do this. My wife's been wanting to do it for years. I was like, look, let's just stop playing around and get this done, right? Well, why not? Granddad Jack, we're coming back.